guys, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're going to, pardon me, do a, work on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and we're gonna layer a cup with metallics and some other colors and just have fun with it. And then we are going to pour through a bird feeder. I've decided it is time to bring it back. It's been over a year. So here we are. I'm gonna pull some random colors I have over here. We are just going to go with it and have a grand old time. What else do we have? We have some leftover paints we're gonna use. There isn't no rhyme or reason on why I'm using certain paints or colors. I don't even know if I'll be able to tell you all the colors. I'll think about them while I pull them out of their plastic bags. I can see that this is probably gonna be predominantly green and blue, but nothing wrong with that. See what we can do. I don't want to use that one. Let me see here. So I've got my white. I've got some white over there mixed up. I've got my 24K gold and sapphire, metallic sapphire over here. And we're gonna move some stuff out of the way and we're gonna get going. So let me get the canvas ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've coated my canvas with white paint and I've got my cup handy. I'm gonna start layering. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of white in there. Hold on, I've got a big thing of it here. All right, I haven't done this in over a year, so the first time was a miracle. The second time would be nice too, right? So I'm just putting my colors in here. And I'm just gonna put that right there because it doesn't really matter if it touches. So far I've used Payne's Gray and Aqua Flash by Color Shift. This is Metallic Sapphire. This is Deep Violet. I use some 24K gold. I'm just using up paints at this point, so there's really no rhyme or reason of how I'm really putting this in here, but you know, you want to try to go with light, dark, contrasting colors against each other. I don't even know if I have enough paint for this, so we are gonna find out. I'll put a little bit of white in there. This is Arteza's Golden Hour, who has mixed 5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Let's see here. And this is good Lord, I don't even know. Let's see, here's the cup. Purple Flash by Color Shift. This is Deep Turquoise. 24K gold. Some pearl turquoise by Arteza. We have some Prussian blue here. The rest of it, we've already put some in here, but I'm gonna just use up this bit. Violet. I'm like literally just using up paints at this point. I know you guys probably fast forward through this bit, but no idea how this is gonna come out. There's a lot of colors. And the last time I did this, I only used a few colors, like 4, I think. The name of that painting is Nebula Flower. And if you want to take a look at the original painting, just search Nebula Flower or head on down to the description box and I will put the link in there and go from there. You can watch the video. From over a year ago. Now, I think there's just music to it, as I didn't really talk on screen. I don't like talking on screen. But I have fun with you guys either way. Getting rid of it. Have you guys ever noticed how old leftover paint sometimes makes the best paintings, or pours for that matter? This might be one of those moments, because whatever I do here tonight I won't be able to redo. Maybe it'll be a hot mess and just be brown. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, here is my bird feeder. There's a hole here. Until it's level. I think this cup's actually too big, so we're gonna take this out. Pardon me. We are gonna go Well, with nothing. I guess that was my only option. I'm flat out of screw. All right, I'm just gonna reuse a 7-ounce cup. I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. And we are going to pour. Yeah, it's a little off. So, all right, so we're letting all the paint drip down. And I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. Now what I'm going to do, so nice if the paint would just stay like that, but they're not going to. Just talking to myself. All right. Okay. My cup has some beautiful colors in it, but they seem a little muddy here, so we'll see how they do. So I think I recall correctly that when you have white that's mixed with satin enamel, doing a bird feeder pour is not the thing to do because it makes everything look like it's smoky. Oh my God, it's a lot of paint. I really like this piece. I'm going to call it the Rose. These blues and purples within all of this, it's just so cool. Oh, I love this. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna clean up the edges and we'll bring you guys in. Okay guys, it's sat overnight. I meant to do a quick little video at the end so that you guys could see what it looked like, but it is so pretty. All the blues and greens and purples in there. It's almost like it's like clear layers, translucent. I love all this. Sorry for the glare. I love it all. So hard to get on camera how pretty it is. But there's so many layers of color in this piece. And the wispy white areas. But that is the piece. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.